Welcome everyone to my crypto channel. We'll be going through market review and outlook. On BTC USD on the weekly time frame, you can see this most recent bullish engulfing candle that is indicative of some further bullish momentum, maybe probably into this zone before it continues the sell that is happening long term. But for now, I expect price to keep on moving further, especially to clear out this liquidity first. Moving down to the daily time frame, what do we see? So the daily is also bearish long term, but on the short term I haven't really seen anything. The candle formations are not really clear, so we'll be going just with the long term view, and this is the already outlined demand zone that we could see price tapping into before continuing the sell. On the 4-hour time frame, the 4 hour is bearish, although we might see some bullish momentum in the coming days, especially as price has tapped into this demand zone and it seems like it's reacting off of it. We could break that level and turn bullish on the 4-hour time frame. There isn't any resistance around here to expect price to react from, so I think it could just go unopposed in clearing that high. On the 4-hour time frame, rather on the 1-hour time frame, we are still bearish. We are still bearish, and seeing the market structure is same as the 4-hour time frame. That tapped into a demand zone and is reacting off of it. Again, there is no opposing supply zone to oppose what is happening. So let's go down to the 15 minutes and mark out some new structure. So this is one here. Let's move this to this place. This is the next break of structure, and I believe this is our most recent break of structure, and here becomes our range high, 15-minute range high, and here is our 15-minute range low. So we are bullish on the 15 minutes time frame. Moving over to ETH USD on the weekly, we are also bullish. Let's check candle formations. Yeah, this is our bullish engulfing on the weekly, so we should be expecting some upward momentum. Moving down to the daily time frame, the daily time frame has not given us anything except this most recent week rejection here, indicating that buyers could be in their volumes pushing up price. So we could take out this place, maybe tap into this supply zone and start selling. But for now, I think short term we might be seeing some buys until it gets to this zone. So that is that for the daily time frame. If you go down to the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? So on the 4-hour time frame, we are currently bearish long term, but short term we have seen price make a rejection off of this valid demand zone here and is reacting from it. It's pushing up. So yeah, this could be liquidity that price taps into, and then who knows, from there we might see sales, we might see it breaking the whole thing. Let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, our range is still intact. Our current range, this is the range high, this is the range low. So just as it was in the 4-hour time frame, excuse me, let me draw this better. Just as it was in the 4-hour time frame, price has tapped into the zone and we are currently buying from there. So I don't know if this is liquidity that is building here. This could be an LVG that, or maybe another block that price wants to tap into for a sell, but we don't know. We'll keep on watching. Over to the 15 minutes time frame. This is it here. On the 15 minutes time frame, we are currently on a downward trend. So this is the 15 minutes low, here. If you go over to SOL USD, on the weekly time frame, we are bearish. Checking immediate candle structure, price is now in this supply zone. So candle formation is showing a bullish engulfing, but I think that's what just took price into the zone, and we might actually see sales, but we are not really sure. We shall find out in the coming weeks. On the daily time frame, I expect price to also be bearish. Yeah, it is bearish, and it has rather tapped into this supply zone here and is currently selling from there. So we will continue seeing what happens long term. You can see our CRT formation here, buy, then a week to take out liquidity and a selling candle. So this could be indicative of more sales. We don't know. For now, I think that's what's happening. If you move down to the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame is also reacting from its own 4-hour demand zone. But I do think with this consolidation here, it might not really hold. It might just, so especially as it's coming from this higher time frame supply zone here, it might just continue the sales from there, and then 4-hour might turn back to its bearish state in the coming days. But we don't know. It can also just buy from there. You have to watch. On the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? Okay, liquidity was taken here, so price is still very much bullish, and now we are currently at this range, or we are currently in this zone here. So what we have to just do is watch what price does. It seems like it's reacting off of the zone, but it's still too early to tell. Anything can just happen. That is it. But I think we are still headed for, or we should still be headed for, this 1-hour range high. If it doesn't work out, then we might have this liquidity to target. Okay, going down to the 15-minute time frame, what do we have? Let's see if we can draw this out well. This is the 15 minutes here. I think this is also 15 minutes here. This is the new one here. This is 15 minutes too. And then this is the new 15 minutes. So for now, this is our range low on SOL USD. We don't have a range high yet because price is currently at the apex of the trend. We have to wait for it to start retracing a little before we can mark this out as a 15 minutes high. So for now, this is a very, very delicate time because we are currently within a range, so rather within a supply zone that we could be seeing a rejection off of, or a breakout from. So we have to watch. Last but not least, XRP USD on the weekly time frame. Let's see how fast we can be. We are bullish overall on the weekly time frame, but immediate price action has been bearish. But if you watch now, we have this bullish candle formation that we could be seeing a little bit of upward momentum, possibly heading into this lower time frame supply zone. We don't know. Let's check out the daily time frame. The daily time frame overall is still bearish. Now we have seen this bullish engulfing formation, and yeah, I think price now is reacting off of that zone. So who knows, we could be seeing it buy from there. This is looking like obvious liquidity to target. What else? Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, the current range is still intact. This is our 4-hour range low. This is our 4-hour range high. If you check the immediate price action, price is reacting from this very, very fine demand zone. So that is it, and the reaction gave us a bullish engulfing and a second bullish engulfing. So it looks like price is priming for further buys on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, same, the range is intact. This could be a supply zone that price reacts from. We'll have to see. It's looking like it's giving some rejection, planning to respect it. We don't know, but it's also coming from this higher time frame demand zone, so we have to see what happens there. For now, price is still bullish, but we might see some minor opposition from this one, but I still expect it to get broken anyway. On the 15-minute time frame, what has price been doing? So okay, this was a break here, then what else? Price change character here, and I think we need to watch out for this here. This is also a break. This is also a break. And this was a change of character here. This one too is a change of character. And after this change of character, we just had some serious consolidation. So we are not marking that as our range, as our break rather. For now, this is still the range low, 15-minute range low, and when price makes some serious retracement, we'll mark this as the high. So that is it on XRP-USD on the 15-minute time frame. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop your thoughts, comment, share the video, subscribe to my other YouTube channels, and join the Telegram community. All the links will be in the description. Thank you guys, and we'll see you again later. Goodbye.